Good morning, all my yarny friends. It's Friday, and yes, my hair's wet. I just got out of the shower. I have an eye appointment this morning. Having a little trouble with blurred vision. I hope I just need a new prescription, but anytime I'm on the computer, my phone, or crocheting, when I look away, everything is blurry. And used to, I would do that and take a break, and within maybe 20, 30 minutes, the blurriness would go away. Well, now the blurriness is not going away. It takes hours. And I've heard that can be dry eye, and I know I have dry eye. I inherited that from my father. Um, so I don't know how many, several years ago, I had those plugs put in my tear ducts to help with the water, with the moisturizing of my eyes, and I think they've come out. I don't think I have them in there anymore because my eyes itch, and they just itch, and they hardly ever water. They used to water all the time. So, and I also heard or saw, I think I read it, I can remember where, or someone told me that you can have a detached retina, and that can be caused by dry eyes. So it's like, no. And I've heard that surgery is horrible. So, gonna go get my eyes checked today and see what they can do about my dry eyes and this blurred vision. So coming on today, just a real quick video. Last night, if you guys did not watch the live, we hit 2,000 subscribers during the live, and I'm so excited. So we have planned September 30th at 10 p.m. 10 p.m. 10 at night. We're going to start at 10 and go through midnight. And we're doing that because October's my birth month. And so we're going to kind of tie that in. We're going to do that. Let's see. We're going to do that. Um, Lost my train of thought completely. 10 p.m. right here on Critters Crochet. Shannon at the Spoonie Stitcher is going to join me, and we're going to have our live celebration. We're going to give away the blanket. We're going to give away the box of fun stuff that I've been collecting, and we're going to play some games and just have some fun. So mark your calendars. That's September 30th. Excuse me. That's September 30th, 10 p.m. Central, 11 Eastern. Now, I checked my numbers today, and good old YouTube, we lost 6. So I'm back down to 1994, but that's okay. We've got till the 30th to get it back to 2000. So, let's get it up there. We only need 6. And let's do that even bigger. Let's get it past 2000. Let's get it to like 2010 or 2020. That way if I lose a few, it won't hurt, and it won't hurt the numbers. Okay. So, I need some ideas from you guys in the comments below this video. I want you to let me know. I'm thinking about doing a series of something on Instagram. So, give me some ideas. I know I'm doing every Monday live. I'm going to start showing you guys some Christmas ideas, real quick Christmas make ideas. But I need something that I can do as a series on Instagram, that can be an everyday thing, like I'm making this, or maybe I should, I don't know, showing progress on something. I don't know. I'm trying to figure out what I could do for that. So if you guys have any ideas, let me know in the comments. I'm meeting up with a friend of mine after my eye appointment because I made her pumpkins. She sent me, let me see if I can find it real quick. Um, she sent me this picture a week or so ago and asked me if I could make these for her. Let's see, these. Can y'all see that? Anyway, They're the bobble stitch pumpkins. Well, there's no pattern to it. I looked on Pinterest. I tried to find where she found the picture. Couldn't find it anywhere. So there wasn't a pattern, but I looked up bobble stitch pumpkins and I found a pattern for the bobble stitch. And then I found another pattern on Pinterest for the leaves. And then I watched a YouTube video from Bag O' Day on how to do the stem. So all of those together, and I created these. So here's the pumpkins. This is a medium size. They have on the pattern. Hello. They have one that's larger than this, and then I made her a small. So she wanted two of this size and then two of the smaller ones. So the other two are downstairs, but I had to come on and show you my bobble stitch pumpkins. I think they are the most adorable pumpkins. There are, and when I put in, you can put in crochet pumpkins on Pinterest. I haven't looked on Etsy, but I'm sure there's some on there too. But on Pinterest, you can put in you can just put in crochet pumpkins and you get a gazillion patterns for pumpkins. So, going to give those to her today. Going to take Abby over to my husband's aunt. She's going to watch her this weekend because we're heading to my daughter's house. Going to visit them in Mississippi, and I'm going to a ladies' day with my daughter on Saturday. So yeah, we're gonna have some fun in Mississippi, and be back Saturday night sometime. So like I said, in the comments below, guys, let me know. Let me know what I could do for a short series. If you were on Instagram and you were gonna watch me do a series of something, what would your what would you like me to do? What would that series be? Um, is it would it be something I could build on each week, or I'm making something and you'll see another one tomorrow and you'll see another one, something I can do each day for a short or and what I want to do it for a short on YouTube and also as an Instagram post. So give me some ideas, guys. I'm going to be thinking on it today, but I would love to hear in the comments what you think would be a good series. Um, I'm just looking. I just got a text. Shannon at the Spinny Stitcher is texting me ideas. I love her. She's been so helpful to me. So yeah, let's get back over that 2,000 mark and beyond, and give me your ideas in the description box below. Um, and then I will be back on Monday for the live on Monday. We are going to you need worsted weight yarn and your favorite hook. Sorry, you need worsted weight yarn and your favorite hook, because we are going to make a granny square, and we're going to turn that granny square into something fun. And so that'll be on our live on Monday. So I'm going to be using a 5.5 millimeter hook, my eye hook, and some worsted weight yarn. It can be any color. If you want to do a red or a green because it's Christmas, that's fine, but the color does not matter. So sorry, I'm just a little, ugh, my sinuses are all funny today. So anyway, I'm going to get off of here because I've got to get things together for Abby and get ready to go to my eye appointment. But I love you guys. Thank you so much for all your support, and share this video out. If you have, I'm working so hard to get way past 2,000 so that I can stay above that number, and so our channel can stay there. Um, and so to help me with that, I appreciate all the shares, all the subscribes, all the likes and the comments. Those help tremendously. But what else would really help to get my name out there is if on your channels, on your community tabs, if you're a content creator, I would love it if you would share about my channel on your community tabs, and get the word out there about Critters Crochet. I would really appreciate it. So I will talk to you guys later. I hope you have a wonderful day today. Have an amazing weekend, and I'll see you again on Monday. Bye, guys.